Think you need a completely original idea to make a hit manga or webtoon? Not true. Most readers don't want something that's 100% new. They want something familiar, with just enough of a twist to surprise them. And here's the good news. The most successful stories already follow this formula. They lean into popular genres, they use proven archetypes, they tap into universal emotional themes, and they ground their worlds in things people already understand. I've studied how hit manga and webtoons are built, and I'm going to show you a step-by-step method you can use right now to spark ideas that are not only creative, but also marketable. By the end of this video, you'll have a repeatable system to create stories readers instantly get, but still feel fresh. And if you want to go deeper, I've put together a free worksheet you can download in the description to help you brainstorm your own story pitch. Step 1, pick a genre that matches your strengths. Let's start with genre. Genres instantly set expectations and attract the right readers before they even click on chapter 1. Romance is timeless because emotions are universal. Action delivers flashy spectacle and power fantasies. Comedy spreads fast because it makes people feel good. Horror hooks people and keeps them turning pages. School life is instantly relatable, especially for younger audiences. And fantasy or isekai, that's pure escapism with flexible rules. Ask yourself, what do you enjoy drawing the most? Action poses, emotional expressions, or funny slice-of-life moments? Start with the genre that plays to your strengths. Step 2, choose 1 or 2 archetypes you enjoy. Next, let's talk characters. Archetypes are proven blueprints. You've seen them everywhere. The underdog, the stoic mentor, the tsundere, the clueless hero, or the character with a secret power. But here's the trick. Don't just copy, twist them. Make the rival secretly a coward. Make the tsundere a pacifist monk. Flip the script, and suddenly it feels new. Step 3, pick a theme that makes you feel something. Stories don't stick because of cool powers. They stick because of emotion. Revenge is satisfying. Found family is heartwarming. Unlikely friendships are both dramatic and funny. Power fantasies let us escape. Overcoming trauma hits deep. And love against the odds makes us root for the characters. Choose a theme that makes you feel something. If it moves you, it'll move your readers. Step 4, ground your world in real life. Now here's a pro tip that saves you hours of world building. Ground your fantasy in real life. Royal Academy, base it on a British boarding school. Demon Kingdom, look at feudal Japan's caste system. Isekai economy, borrow from the 1600s spice trade. Creepy ghost town, research abandoned mining towns in Colorado. The more real-world detail you pull in, the more believable and immersive your story becomes. Here's the mistake beginners make. They try to invent everything from scratch. And that's why they get stuck. Pro creators don't do that. They remix. They start with tropes and archetypes people already know why. Then they add 1 or 2 twists. That's what makes it both familiar and fresh. Pro tips and extra insights. Here's how pros use this. They don't just stick to one archetype or trope. They layer them. They might take a found family theme, drop it into a school life setting, and then add a secret power archetype on top. That combination feels rich, but still easy for readers to understand. And here's a common mistake to avoid. Don't throw in every trope you know. Pick a few and commit to them. Too many and your story feels messy instead of engaging. So let's recap. You don't need to reinvent storytelling from scratch. Start with what works. Genre, archetypes, themes, and real-world grounding. Then add your twist, and suddenly your story is both familiar and fresh. If you want to practice this, grab the free worksheet linked in the description. It'll help you brainstorm your own sellable pitch. And when you're ready to keep building your storytelling skills, subscribe and check out my next video. The 3-act comic model